wanted to talk a little bit about the financial management and billing. So just make sure that you have a way to understand the billing and coding, whether you're seeing patients from your existing practice in an insurance-based model or you're doing a standalone cash practice. Make sure that they know one way or the other whether this is going to be covered under insurance or this is cash only and outside of insurance. Regarding Medicare, you have to be compliant with Medicare regulations, and if they're going to be seeing you for cash-based or non-covered entities, make sure you have that ABN signed, that Advanced Beneficiary Notice. Regarding pricing, I want you to make sure that you have your pricing strategy completed. Set that right price point for orthobiologic treatments. I'm going to recommend that you set it at a minimum of $1,500. That has been researched, and that also takes into account your cost of client acquisition, as well as making sure that you have overhead and all of your staffing taken care of. Additionally, make sure that you have considered strategies for increasing the value proposition for patients, understanding that it's not just cost, but value.